Hello guys, today I have something different and interesting things for vlogging. I'm with beautiful makeup artist Lamu Lama. Well, it's a makeup trial by my dear sister. And talking about her, she's just amazing. A best example of brand and beautiful. Lamu, give a look.
Hi guys, today I'm going to practice smoky eyes on my jewelry Redika Kharka, and I'll be using different brushes of BS Cosmetics along with different products. Some of them are here.
Wow, beautiful.
I'm going to use makeup base as a Mega Matte foundation, eyeliner made of Magic Flower. I'll be blending with different kind of brushes of BS Cosmetics. Along with that, I'll be using the cleanser of Cetaphil for oily skins. This is one of the best product with 5 rated stars, and it's very useful and also very much effective to every skin style. Talking about eyeshadow, Huda Beauty and then matte eyeshadow base.
So you have everything branded.
Yeah, I have a Sunny's of Organ Primer. I will be using this primer as a base for her. There are some products. Hope you guys have a glance on it. So finally, I'll be using this setting spray and of matte finish. We'll start very soon and we'll give a final look for you.
So I'm going to have a branded eyeliner.
I'm going to use Sephora blender. This one is very good with a natural blending finishes, and it will give a final look. It usually gives a natural finish. This lipstick, for this one you want to apply type of MAC, Alludio, and then Pharmacy. Along with that, I have some BS Cosmetic liquid or with moisturizers. And this one is the Icon, as everyone know it. Some eyeliners. Okay, I will be using these all products on her face, and finally for hair designing, I'm gonna use this spray, and it starts with. Till then, guys, stay watching.
Okay, thank you for it. Some more thing that is not only a makeup artist, the best example of brand and beautiful, a dedicated and hardworking nurse. I must admit that even being a nurse, she is a makeup artist and a gold medalist. I'm going to look very beautiful, very hot and sexy. So we are going to start soon. I hope you like this video.
Hi guys. So we are ready.
If we make a style, then everything is a style nowadays.
It's an art, that's why people
Call makeup artist.
Thank you. Thank you for making it so beautiful.
It's locked.
Look at me. Prettiness over my face.
the differences between the before and after. Before I was different, now I'm like this. You can see the changes in my eyes and my lips.
Here, gold medal